Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can log out account in Threads. So it is super simple. You can go to your profile and select two lines at the right corner. So up here's the logout option, just click on it. Select logout. Alright, the thread has been logged out. You can log in again with your Instagram account, or you can switch account with another Instagram account. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.